Hi YouTube, Mother with H&P here. Today I'm going to share with you an old-time cough syrup recipe that we use. It's simple, it's easy, and it works for us. Now, I'm not a physician. If your cough is persistent or gets worse, please consult your medical professional. Now, this is a very easy recipe. As I said, there's only 3 ingredients. The first one is honey. Locally sourced is better. The second ingredient is a whiskey or liquor of your choice. We prefer Rebecca Creek. It's a blended whiskey distilled in San Antonio. It's very smooth, and that's why we prefer it. The third ingredient is a hard candy. We use Horehound. Now, some of the others that you can use on the candy is peppermint, hard cherry, root beer, and also if you don't have honey but you do have molasses, that will work as well. So let's get started, shall we? We're going to use a 1-to-1 ratio on the honey and the alcohol. So we're going to pour a cup of honey. Again, you can also use molasses if you don't have the honey. We're going to use a cup of the whiskey. Alcohol of your choice. Yeah. All right. Then we're going to crush 6 of the hard candies with this mortar and pestle. So you want to crush this as fine as you can so it will dissolve in the liquid on the stove when we heat it. So now we're going to put it all together. It's our honey and our liquor. Get it all out there. All right. Then we're going to add our crushed hard candy. Get it all there. Nice and fine. All right. Now we go to the stove. So you want this on a low heat. You don't want to burn it. And you want to constantly stir it to dissolve the candy. So you want it to get just to where it's simmering and smoking. Make it hot. Don't hear no more crunching in there. So this is what we have to dissolve. So just make sure you get all your clumps and all your parts and pieces melted. So this is going to take a little while. This is not the time to be running to go do your laundry. Now also, you can spice things up by adding a little ground ginger. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Or some lemon juice. Give it a tang. Those are popular. All right. 15 minutes later, and here we are. There we go. And it will cook down. Make sure you label your jar. Glass is best. And we want to let it cool before you put the lid on. It is shelf stable. So we use 1 tablespoon as needed. Now your mileage may vary. And as with all things, please use in moderation. It is 50% whiskey. So if you like this video, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. We will provide a link to the Rebecca Creek below. and our affiliate links for Whorehound and the Mortar and Pestle. Until next time, I got miles to go before I sleep.